is, Mrs. Peters, we have to thank you for pleading for us out here in the field for bonus money, and we thank the leadership at Legal Shield for continue to add more bonuses to the Ruby and Ruby Elite and Sapphire team.
You bet, Mr. Roebuck. And I want to talk about this here briefly. So 2025 was the first year that we truly ran the Ruby to Sapphire program. Year one, when we started the Ruby to Ruby Qualified program, we only had 3 levels of incentives. And it didn't bridge the gap for us to move us from Ruby, the Ruby Qualified, to Ruby Elite, to the Sapphire Elite, because we need to celebrate all wins, big and small, right? And we needed to be able to give a good journey, a good path for our new teammates that are joining our team, that, they know some small business owners who may have employees, so they can do small business, they can do group, and they see, hey, I can do it once, I can do it twice, and if I can do it twice, I can do it the third time. And that really is what this Ruby Hit and Earn incentive is for, is to help our new teammates walk through this journey of Ruby to Sapphire. And like we just mentioned, very proud to say 2025, the first year of really rolling this out, we hit over 100 associates that moved at least into the Ruby Elite or moved on to the Ruby to Sapphire or Emerald program by walking through this incentive. And that can be you in 2026. Now, listen, when you hit level 4, you are Ruby Elite. Well, when you hit level 1, you're Ruby qualified for the year. You hit level 4, you're qualified for the year, as well as into the next year. So those that qualified for those levels in 2025 are those levels in 2026. Now, level 7, when you hit level 7, we're going to pay you out those cash bonuses, as Mr. Roebuck said. But you technically are not a Sapphire until 2027, because Sapphire and Emerald Elite are annual incentives. They're not